Welcome to MadLearn's Code Set Library. Choose from over 140 code sets. Use the codes to create dynamic and engaging screens for your app. Copy and paste, edit content elements, and more, and learn about coding at your own pace. After selecting a screen you want to use from the demo app, click the Visit Code Set Library button. The library is organized into several folders that you can browse. Let's look for the Harry Potter quiz template. Open the Quizzes and Flashcards folder, and then open the file found in that folder. Here you'll see the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes that combine to create this quiz. Notice how the content elements are highlighted. All you have to do to customize your quiz is change these parts. Copy and paste each code set into the matching field, being careful to copy all of the code for each separate code set. Now, run the program to see your screen. There are plenty of code sets you can import from the library, so have fun exploring.